Linking a new debit card to your Splitit account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your new card is added correctly. Step 1. Log into your Splitit account. Visit the Splitit website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account where you want to link the new debit card. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, go to the account settings or payment methods section. This is usually found in the profile or account management area. Step 3. Select add new card. Look for an option to add a new payment method or card. Click on this option to begin entering your new debit card information. Step 4. Enter card details. Fill in the required information for your new debit card, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Ensure that all details are entered accurately to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your card information, review it for accuracy and then save the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your new debit card has been successfully linked. Once you have completed these steps, your new debit card will be linked to your Splitit account and you can start using it for your transactions.